Sabi niya.
Na kami sa LA.
That's a big bite. Nature for the vibes. Iyak tayo, halimbawa.
You want some fish?
We're gonna fly. Scrumptious. Guys, paalis na kami. Papunta na kami airport. Mitsubishi Mirage 123. Let's go. Okay guys, so papunta na kami sa airport. Ang sabog niya. Ilan tulog nyo guys? Mga tulog at ako nakatulog. Parang mga 2 hours lang ako.
4 hours tulog ko, girl.
Anyway, papunta na kami airport. Tapos papunta na sila. The others na lang, kumbaga. Okay guys, so nakarating na kami sa airport. Hinintay namin si Shira and Yuriz. Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa LA Chicks. Check-in na kami ng luggage.
Dito na kami sa LA.
Hi guys, I need to bless you with my face.
Ay. Okay, so mag-order na kami ng food and we're gonna eat obviously. Tapos makapasok na kami. Sinong mga kinabahan sa luggage natin kanina? Tayong lahat. Okay guys, so we just got our food. So good. And we're watching my queen.
When Blackwell. When Blackwell.
When Blackwell.
And Alex Vincani. Called her right.
Gramsas. Milang babusog na.
Millennial post si Joe. Millennial
So how's the food, Shira?
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, next.
Kung ganito yung food, nasa gilid ba ako?
Hindi ko na gets. Ay, good. Agree lang.
Masarap yung food.
Opo, nag-agree po ako sa sinabi na
Yeah, papasok na kami. Doon yung mga kasamahan namin. Iniwan na kami ni Shira. Okay guys, we're gonna board the aircraft now. And
wala na akong maleta.
wala na siyang malita kasi chinek in yung baggage niya. Apparently, her hand carry is too big. But that's fine. Kel.
The passenger
We're gonna
briefing
board.
card located
We're gonna
by your
fly
seat.
and
If
go
you
to
do not wish to
Puerto
perform the
Princesa
functions
City.
described, in case of an emergency, please
Say
ask
hi,
the cabin
bro.
crew to reseat you.
Guys, alam niyo ba, umupo agad tong Faras na to.
Smoking and
Tama
are
ba
strictly
yun?
prohibited.
Okay guys,
Please be
paalis na
informed
kami.
that we are currently refueling the
Say
aircraft.
hi,
As a
Yuriz,
safety precaution,
Shy,
please
Kel.
unfasten your seatbelt.
Oh, my
We
style.
also kindly
Yeah,
ask
and-
that you using your
God,
electronic device.
Nilang ba guys, pero ito yung mga katabing masarap mag-CR.
Walang tatayo para sa...
sa upuan ni Sabrina.
Ay, tama ba yun? Guys, so ang laking harang na ito.
Pag ikaw talaga naihiba lang.
Oo, di kami tatayo.
Hindi ka tatay.
She's gonna roll her roll. Wait, what? Eh, di ba bawal sa may light?
No, bro.
Oh.
This is our first trip together. This is gonna be the last.
Kasi roll niya yung roll niya. I mean yung camera niya. Tapos di niya alam kung kailangan dark yung surroundings. Wala. Uy, alam ko kailangan naka-dark yan.
Kung madadala, nirita ko sa'yo.
Legit, nakita ko sa TikTok yun. Totoo yun. Nakita ko yun sa TikTok. Kapag yung ganyan kailangan naka-dark.
Huwag ka madadala.
Hello everyone, we are paging for for passenger Miss Wu. If you're on board, kindly raise your hand or acknowledge your presence.
I'm excited.
Let's make today's flight extra fun with our quick and exciting Cebu Pacific train.
We just arrived. We're finally in Puerto Princesa City. Hintay lang kami ng luggage. We're gonna do si Gian with necklaces a tarpaulin of our faces. Welcome to Princess Day! Okay guys, nakuha na namin yung luggage. Doon na sila. And susunduin na kami ni Gian. Diba?
Why are you running?
Diba?
Yeah, sunduin lang kami.
Nasa na ba si Gian? Iyak tayo halimbawa. Nakita natin si Gian. Oh my God! Study group. Binigyan kami ng necklace. Sabi sa inyo eh. We're gonna do si Gian with necklaces a tarpaulin of our faces. Welcome to Princess Day! Dapat ikaw
Ako magkasuot, girl.
Okay. Okay guys, so papunta na kami sa kotse. Hi Isha.
Hi.
Hey guys, we're gonna
We are getting cold.
How are we gonna get back home?
Girl.
Cut the cameras.
We out here getting full. We're gonna be a fat hole. Magkakasama kami dito. Okay, game ulit. Keep the flow. Face test. This is called what?
This is the summer spring roll.
Spring rolls something. That's a big bite.
Mga locals dati, kung ano yung sinasabing inaalok nila na so sinasabi kasi nila yan sa mga Pilipino, sa mga locals, my friend, come taste eh hindi namin alam yung
Okay guys, we're currently eating. We're eating.
Xiaolong.
Ay, xiaolong pala.
chow, not chow.
These locals up in here beside me eating
Better with you guys.
chow.
Chow!
Get out. Hi guys. So nasa yeah, we're just here for the vibes.
Guys, picture.
You guys but like
So nakatambay lang kami here. Di sila kita, no? Like how do you even focus? I don't know. Si Shaira naka-lock in.
Okay guys, I will take over the vlog. This is me.
It's you.
Wow. Look at my back. Okay guys, we're now
Medyo nakakahiya yun.
okay.
Medyo lakas ng boss mo dun.
anyways, we're now in Bakersfield. Yup. May animals daw doon. Basta sa dun sa doon ang bago mag-zoom. Anyways. Grabe, gusto ko sana mag-playground but like, it's wet and it's raining and I'm not about to slide on a wet slide.
Slip and slide.
Nobody's freaking forcing you.
So we're now in the rooftop part of the Baker's Hill. Grabe, iniwan na kami. Tama ba yun? Dito pa kaming tatlo. Tapos like, Lucky giving yung freaking nature and there's like giving, this is giving like nature.
Si Farsa Joko.
Oh my God!
My world is the sky!
Nakakalain mo ba yun?
Wow. Amazing. Hala, may monkey. Ay, parang magandang BL movie ito. We're going back to the...
Oh, muntik pa mamatay yung G.
Natusok na pa yung...
Hindi ako natusok kung punta dito ko.
Ay,
Tapos nabasa yung glass.
Sorry, Ming. Okay, guys. I'm currently sweating bullets, as you can see. But it's fine. We're in Palawan.
I'm Caddy Peterson,
Okay, guys.
and I'm about to enter the sting zone
Papasok na ako
with
sa
the
danger
Tarantula
zone.
Hawk.
Hindi ako nagdala ng
In
camera.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's so...
Tapos, guys, nandito si Yuri! Oh, grabe oh.
Ganun, di siya gumagalaw.
Di Crocodile Farm. Kaso,
Oh, what is this? Palawan bear cat. Oh, it's a bear cat. Whatever that is. Palawan bearded pig. Uy, mo! I wanna see the bearded pig!
si Joe. Ay, gagawin si Joe.
Tingin naman, Joe.
Wait, I wanna see.
Hindi siya nakatingin pa.
Ano to ulit?
Yan.
Bearded pig. Alam ko na yung perfect way to hold it.
Kung di ka ba naman tanga.
Kanina ko pa fini-figure out. Kanina pa ako nakaganon. Or what? Nahihiya. Ay, makahiya pala.
Makahiya, girl.
Makahiya pala. Kala ko nahihiya or what?
Hinawakan siya, mag-react.
Yeah.
You want some fish?
I almost
Serious, go ahead.
Doon nilalaplot niya yung kamay.
Oh my God, there's fishies on my hand. Nakakailiti siya pero ang sarap sa tingin.
right.
Distilling all my fishies!
So, meron tayong same species ng ganito yung scorpion sa Borneo.
Ay, may buhayan.
Yes po. Hindi po sila poisonous at hindi rin sila deadly. So, sila ay venomous. Yung venom nila ay katulad ng pukyutan. Pag nasting ka po nito, mamumula or mamagalang yung epekto niya. Pero depende pa rin sa reaction ng katawan ng tao. But they are considered as misunderstood creatures because they look dangerous but they're not aggressive.
Let's try.
Go, Joe. Go.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
He's gonna try holding the scorpion.
Female yan siya, male yung maliit mo.
Hawakan mo.
Baka makugot ako doon.
Hindi yan. After nila mag-make, kinakain ng babae yung lalaki.
Oh.
Buhay
pa yan, kuya?
Yes.
Parang patay na, baka kinain na yan.
Uy, crocodile. Uy, si Yuri's. Astig.
Hawakan po at pakipasan lang po sa iba. Yan po ay tinatawag na bagtik. Yan ay nanggaling sa dagta or sap ng almasiga tree. Sa iba pa mga related.
Fiberglass.
So hindi lang po nila yan source of income bagus tayong taga city or urban ang mas nakikinabang. Ito naman ang tinatawag nilang bakit. This is their native backpack. Ito ay gawa sa katan kaya matibay ito. Ngayon tutugtog sila ng tinatawag nilang boget or bird song. Once na visible na po ang kanilang target, kinukuha na po nila ang kanilang tinatawag na sumpit or sapukan. Tingnan po natin sa kabila yung drawing board. Wow. Once na visible na ang apoy, ay yung usok, nilipat nila sa dry grass. Later, ipapaamoy nila yan, and try to smell the smoke.
Wow. Ano yun? Wow, saan pala to?
Cinnamon. So, very popular pero maraming hindi nakakita.
Curry tree.
It's ginger. Oh.
Oh, it does smell like curry. Oo nga. Diba? Ito, cacao. Wow.
Oh, we're not
Philippines in the
gonna...
first. This way, cacao. Tara na guys. Not all cacaos taste the same.
Can I throw?
Amazing.
Here.
Like ano ba to or what? Like ano ba to or what guys? Like guys, ano ba to or what? Madudulas pa to oh.
Record pa lang, ka talaga. I told you kasi madulas nga, di ba?
Ganon.
Ganon talaga.
Ganon. Firefly Garden. Ay, Butterfly Garden pala.
Nasusubok yung buhay ko dito.
Manong, dalawa pong Spanish bread.
Bread daw po. Isang Spanish bread lang.
Grabe, parang short.
Dalawa pong Spanish bread.
Dalawang Spanish bread cake. Ayun lang akin din.
Ano to? Gian. Gian ano to?
Cinnamon bread. Ito na lang. Wala na si Ma.
Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi ni
Thank you, Manong. Uy, ang dami.
Ang hirap din pala talaga.
Mo na lahat yan, naakyat mo na lahat.
Paano na kinakakit yung yung malaking bag?
Hindi ko alam kung yung masarap.
Konnichiwa!
Amazing.
Vlog iskale.
Kapaw!
Manisha na beat. Kapaw. Proud ka doon, boy.
Proud ka doon, te. Proud ka doon.
Proud ka doon.
Oo, proud na lang ako.
It's your you. That's so funny. The way you hug.
Grabe tong batang to. Tabingis. And there's a hope. Ano? Aww. Gumawa silang higaan. Hi guys, so we're here in the Long Beach in San Vicente. Apparently this is gonna be the next Boracay. So nice here. Walang mga at kami lang like legit. Ooh. Ooh, put those grippers away! Oh my god, may isda! May isda! May isda! Langoy ka na. What is tulak kita, Yuris?
Langoy na siya pa rin.
Ayan. Ito kasing lokal na to kumakain dito sa beach. Doon! Okay, go. Ay, wait. Dapat malayo ako. Okay, go! Okay. Okay guys, pupunta na kami sa beach.
Bitch!
Nandito na sila. Let's go. Uy, may lokal dun. Uy!
Milo Iskal, oh.
You know, mansin.
Hindi siya
Hindi siya namamansin.
Lokal na. Lokal na. Tagalog.
Hey guys, show yourself.
Okay guys, we're here in Barton Bistro with the fam or what? Tapos we're drinking mock cocktails kasi it's happy hour. Here's the beach or what? Uy, may shokoy. Ay.
Nasa likod ng camera.
Uy, may...
Wait lang, isa pa. Ang pangit ko na naman.
Okay guys, our pizza just arrived. Ooh,
Patty, yes.
scrumptious. We're gonna eat now. Bye. We got more food.
So, hindi talaga nakain yung may ano.
Scrumptious. Okay guys, we're gonna go back to our Airbnb. We're gonna go. We're gonna go back and then we're gonna like.
What if we didn't look? I'll head you.
We're gonna. Or what?
We're gonna swim.
Oh yeah, we're gonna swim.
I feel poopy.
Hoy, swimming pa tayo sa pool ha.
Oh,
Huwag kang
mag-M.
FLG yan. Huwag kang
Mag-M pa daw
FLG
yun.
yan. Time-lapse na nagsiswimming kami. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa exotic island.
Gano'n ka-exhaust?
Here's our view or what? we just had our lunch. Tapos tumatambay na lang kami dito or what?
Sa beach or what?
Pero hindi to rinig or what, feel ko.
Rinig siya.
Ay, wala.
Muffled siya.
Pre, wala talaga. Diba magsisurgeon ka?
Oh, next time yan na nga lang. Ganito kasi yan, no? Ako tuturuan kita. Dito counted, dito counted, dito counted. Ganito yan. Yan lala!
Tirangal pa talaga.
Balik mo. Yan lala. Ang nakatulog.
Nakatulog siya, te. Ano?
Oh, siya yun. May papogi. Oh, dalawa.
Okay guys, we're here in White Beach. Gian, Kiel, Isha, Shira, and Iris. Kami lang dito or what? Like, is this Tagalog? Ay, kita niyo ba guys, walang tao or what? Like, kami lang to or what? Like, the water is so clear, the sun is so bright, the trees are so alive. Hi, Shy.
Gusto ko rin.
Wait lang,
Buhok namin ni Isha pala.
Yup!
Parang
Parang aso. Anong para? Aso talaga.
Okay, ready? Wait. Remove your slippers. Ay, wait lang.
Bilis, bilis.
Hey guys, thank you so much for reaching this part of the video. I know it's a really long video, but I just wanted this as parang a diary, or so that I have memories to look back on. And yeah, I just wanted to take this time to say thank you to my friends, Gian especially, na nagtulong sa amin to like guide us which part of Palawan is nice, and Yuri's who booked the flights, and Gail, Shira, and Isha. And also I wanted to say thank you to my study group A, kasi they made my senior high school years really bearable, because as a person who has been studying in one school for the last, I don't know, grade 1 to grade 10, it was really tough to move to a city and know no one and know nothing about it. And they really helped me go through these uncharted waters. And obviously I also have friends from my other schools, San Beda, and also my friends who was in San Beda and moved with me in UST. So I'm just really grateful for them. I just wanted to say my gratitude to these people, kasi I wouldn't have made it if it was just me navigating through these uncharted waters. So yeah, thank you to everyone, my parents, my family, my friends, and my everyone. Thank you. Now it's college time. Ay.